How to increase meeting capacity on Zoom PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to increase your meeting capacity on Zoom PC, easy and fast. So first thing you have to do, go to my account here in the top corner and click on it. Now it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is scroll down until you find the license option. Now right here you will find that you have 100 participants and you can increase meeting capacity by here. Click on it and you will be able now right here to upgrade your account from here. Click upgrade and you will be able to get more capacity. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.